Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Jamaica's Reggae Girlz began their two-game international series against Chile on a winning note with a 1-0 victory over the South Americans inside the National Stadium on Thursday. Karen Madden was there.
It was a game which pitted the two World Cup debutants against each other, with Jamaica needing to prepare for their June 9 assignment against South Americans Brazil. Watched by an enthusiastic fan base, perhaps the biggest crowd local women's football has seen, it was the Reds who would fall behind early in the contest. Midfielder Marla Sweatman sent the Reggae Girlz ahead with only 9 minutes on the referee's clock from a curling corner which PSG goalkeeper Christina Endler failed to collect. From there, the Jamaicans danced to a reggae beat in the Chilean half, with Khadija Bunnyshaw employed as a lone striker, proving to be a thorn in the sides of the Reds. For the rest of the half, the Jamaicans created several chances which could have resulted in a wider goal margin, but were thwarted by solid keeping from Endler. Chile came out stronger in the second half and they bothered the Reggae Girlz at times, but Captain Konya Plummer led a solid defense to repel those opportunities. And when Chile pierced the stingy Jamaican defensive line, goalkeeper Nicole McClure let fly with a series of fine saves. Menzies, it was mission accomplished.
But however, I thought we, discipline-wise, we played hard in the back. I thought Nicole had a great game for us. A lot of action towards the second half. I just thought our fitness needed to be better, and that's something that we were always credited for qualifying because of our fitness. But obviously, players going away to Europe and taking rest time for the winter break, we just got to get back fitter.
And McClure, Shaw, and Sweatman summed up their contributions.
As a goalkeeper, you expect anything. From the first whistle to the final whistle, so I was just, prepared for anything. I'm just here to help the team move forward. So whatever I can do to help the team is fine with me.
I don't really focus on that. I focus on what I am going to do when I go out there on the field and what we're going to do as a team. So I think if I focus on the negative, then my game will drop. So I just let the positive overthrow the negative and just focus on the team. I know that we wanted to win tonight and we just went out there and just got the job.
Yeah, I mean, it's not something that I practice to go for a goal. Usually I find Bunny's head. But, Jody checked off and opportunity presented itself, so I'm just happy at winning.
The two teams will face each other again on Sunday at the Montego Bay Sports Complex at 7 p.m. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.